Hey there, looking to make some extra cash with AI tools? While I can't promise you'll strike it rich, I've got a list of AI tools that could help you earn some bucks. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT. OpenAI's ChatGPT is making waves and could be a great addition if you're exploring AI tools for making money. 2. AI Image Enlarger. This tool magically enlarges images without losing quality. 3. Scribe. Selling digital courses can be a lucrative venture in our tech-centric world, and Scribe could be your ally. 4. Tome. Need help creating captivating stories? This AI-generated storytelling tool might be your go-to. 5. Boomy. For all the music enthusiasts out there, Boomy can help you create tunes using AI. 6. Wallet. AI. Managing finances can be a hassle, but this AI-powered tool might make it a breeze. 7. TribeScaler. Looking to scale up your business? This AI tool might give you the edge you need. 8. Reface. Ever wanted to experiment with deepfake videos? Reface is your ticket to AI-powered fun. 9. Google Cloud. AutoML. Want to build custom machine learning models? Google's AutoML might be your solution. 10. IBM Watson. Studio. Building and training. AI models might seem complex, but Watson Studio aims to simplify the process. Remember, while these tools can open doors to earning opportunities, they don't come with a guarantee to make you rich overnight. But they could certainly help you explore different avenues to earn extra income. Hope this sheds some light on the possibilities. Perhaps even use it as a side hustle. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and good luck.